So you've got your miner up and running and you want to earn more HNT. So in order to do that, you need to stake your HNT. But to do that, you need 10,000 HNT, right? Wrong. So just as mining pools popped up to pool together mining resources, staking pools have popped up to run Validator as a service, which is basically a staking pool. In exchange, you will be paid out a percentage of your HNT for keeping it in the pool. Check out the link below for a reduction on the pool fees of 0.4%. So, check it out. This is their dashboard. This is helium-staking. The wallet address that you generate here is where you will send the helium from your mobile app into this particular wallet. The pool validators are currently running 40 staked pool validators. 39 are online, 1 is offline, 1 is in consensus. This page shows you time remaining until pending unstakes will be paid out. So it basically just keeps a running total. And then this page is your pool share, today's estimated rewards, total rewards earned, and applied fee. Check out the link in the description below for a reduction on the applied fee there. So rewards calculation is every 24 hours. So we got 10 hours, 47 minutes till the next one. Total rewards stake, so far I've gained 0.0138896 HNT out of it. If you select to auto stake, you will not have to pay a staking fee in order to keep restaking. So you can look at the list of your transactions here, where it just basically compounds your stakes, and then you can also add your external wallet of your hotspot address to it, so you can view a live view of your particular HNT wallet. That way you don't really have to log into the app. And then I've also got the details that I've personally experienced here. Current price per coin is $23.31. You can see that just changed. The total amount that I've gained from staking is 0.0138896 for a total percentage of 0.34% or 32 cents. And that is over the course of 59 days. I've gained 32 cents for 0.34%. So the first stake, I sent approximately 1.43 HNT over to the staking platform. It took 47 days for me to make back the transaction fee plus the staking fee. And it looks like it's going to take a similar amount of time on the 2.6 that I recently sent over. The minimum amount that you can stake with this platform is 1.0 HNT. So from this screen, you can see your current staked amount, your current reward, and then they do charge you a fee and pool running costs out of that reward, and then you get your net reward out of it. So the first stake took 47 days, and it looks like the second one's going to take around the same. I'm currently at 48 days with my math. And then if you like this video, let me know. Feel free to leave me any comments. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for some more HNT content. Thank you.